Hi everybody, this is TechNolli, and today we've got another motherboard video. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of different motherboards so you can choose something that you like. It'll make it fun. Today we've got the Asus ROG Strix Z790-A gaming, of course with Wi-Fi, and it uses DDR4 RAM. This motherboard is super nice. I was really impressed with all of the options on it. And I'm going to show you. This thing can hold 4 NVMe drives, which I'm going to show you. Here's a picture of the back panel. You've got plenty of USBs, and you've got 2 USB-Cs, which is nice. All right, here's a shot of the PCIe's. All right, and hold on a second. I'm going to show you all of the NVMe slots that you've got. All right, guys, check this out. So you've got an NVMe slot here, 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 and right there, the one I'm using. So you've got 4 NVMe slots on this motherboard, which is super nice. So like I said, we're going to be doing a series of motherboards. Hopefully doing 2 a week for the next couple of weeks. So you guys can choose which motherboard you want to get for your new build. So this will be fun. And if you want to buy this motherboard with macOS already installed, you can go to my website at TechNolli.com. So like I said, guys, we're just going to be doing a series of videos, short videos, showing you these different boards. And this will be fun. So let's get into this one real quick. Okay, guys, we're back here on my website. Just wanted to update you on a couple things real quick. And if you click here on motherboards with macOS, you can buy this motherboard from me, the one that I used in the video. It's right here. As you can see, we're doing quite well selling these older video motherboards. We have a lot more motherboards coming out in the next few weeks for you guys to check out. So if you click on this, it comes with, for $269, it comes with a 512 gigabyte NVMe drive with macOS installed, and you can choose what you want here, okay? And if you click here, it will take you right to Amazon if you just want to purchase the motherboard. And I do want to take you to the Asus website and show you the detailed specs on this board. So let's go ahead and go over there. Now they make 2 models of this Strix. They make it for DDR4 and DDR5. This is the DDR4 version, okay? So we'll click right here on Tech Specs. And here we go. So this motherboard will support a 13, 14, or 12th gen Intel CPU. Now, if you're using it for Hackintosh, do not get a Gold or Celeron processor because it won't work. So you want at least an i3 or higher. It is the latest Intel chipset, the Z790. This motherboard will handle 4 DIMMs at 128 gigabytes of DDR4, all of these speeds. Okay, and down here we do have the DisplayPort and HDMI port. Now that's only if you get an Intel CPU with built-in graphics, but those built-in graphics will not work with Hackintosh. It will work for Windows, but not for Hackintosh. So you're not going to need this for the Hackintosh version. We're going to be using a separate card. Okay, so more information on the PCIe slots and the PCIe 4 and PCIe 3. And storage. This is where I was showing you that it holds 4 M.2s, and it'll also handle 4 SATA SSDs or the old spinning drives, whatever you want. So it'll handle a lot of storage. We also have Intel 2.5 gigabyte Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3. The total USBs on this thing, and it has a bunch of them. Here's the rear, and then the front also supports Type-C and 3 and 2. So it has all of those headers built on the motherboard, depending on your case, of course, what ports you're going to hook up. And we've got the Supreme FX 7.1 audio chip. And then here are all the back panel IOs and the internal IO connectors. This is nice. It has the Thunderbolt header built on the motherboard. So if you purchase the separate card for this, and let me show it to you. It's the Asus Thunderbolt card. I'm going to be doing a video of this pretty soon to show you how this works. But this card is supported on that motherboard because it has the header. Okay, down there at the bottom. It has the built-in header for Thunderbolt. So if you want to get Thunderbolt later down the road, you can add the card. All right. Now, also, if you do want to just purchase the EFI for this, it is right here on my website, right here. And you can just buy the EFI, get your motherboard yourself, or build the EFI yourself, which is always fun to do. We're going to be doing a lot of tutorials on building EFIs nowadays in 2023, so you guys will have a better understanding of how it's working nowadays. And we're going to be showing you some older PCs too, so we got a lot of things coming soon to the channel, which is going to be fun. So make sure you are subscribed and click that like button too, if you don't mind. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.